When selecting a model, you'll see details like context length and credit usage per 1K tokens. First, let's understand tokens. Tokens are units of text processed by the model. Both your input, what you send, and the output, what the model generates, are measured in tokens. Credit usage is based on these tokens, typically priced per 1,000 input tokens and 1,000 output tokens. Next, context length refers to how many tokens a model can process at once. For example, a model with a 1 million token context window can analyze significantly more content in a single pass compared to a model with a 200K token limit, making it better for long documents and deeper analysis. Understanding these factors helps you choose the right model efficiently.